I am heading to the Jingle Jungle Cruise. Like I said, hadn't ridden it in this year. Last year it was a little bit different, so this year we're going to try it, and hopefully it doesn't disappoint. I can't say that it would though, right? Come along. The quirkiness of the atmosphere is actually back. Little different things in the Christmas overlays that they've put up. Just kind of exciting to be here, you know. And seeing it for your first time, you may not think anything of it, but this is tradition. And I am just tickled to death that it's here. But, wow, this is new. I didn't see this the last time. Jungle Navigation Company. I remember when they put it up, I just didn't pay any attention to it because the last time I came through the line, I went through the other way. So, it's pretty cool. Oh, and by the way, I saw the Jungle Cruise with The Rock weekend before last. It was actually a really good movie, so hats off to them. And they used enough puns from the actual Jungle Cruise, which was really cool. So I really do like this, and hopefully the cruise itself keeps everything at the same par, you know.
Yeah, I'm talking about those ceiling fans. I have no idea who those people are. Welcome aboard the world famous Jingle Cruise! My name is Skipper Tiffany, and I will be your tour guide, your cruise director, and your salsa dance instructor for the next 3 months! Yeah, you heard me. Now listen, if you guys don't laugh at these jokes, I'm also going to be your swim instructor. Ah, they got it. Here we go, into the Amazon rainforest right here. Now to your left and right, there are some beautiful giant butterflies. These butterflies' wings actually grow anywhere from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, we like to call them the rulers of the jungle because they're true monarchs, you know. Here to your left, you'll see Inspiration Falls. Now, Inspiration Falls actually got its name because the longer you stare at it, the more it will inspire you to have to go. Caroling! Too bad nothing can inspire me to go caroling. Ooh, look at that. We are entering the Congo River now. You know, we're going to see just how far we can go. Yeah. Oh, if anyone here has ever wanted to see the Jungle Book, now is your chance. There it is. Yeah. That's actually the box set, too. Oh, man. Now, my friends promised they were throwing us a big party on the beach, but I can't see anyone. Canoe? Ha, just kidding. Those are kayaks. Oh, look! Somebody did show up for the party. That's Mr. Python. Now, people always think that he is a boa, but I know he's not a boa because he doesn't have any feathers. I mean, come on. at that. Looks like my in-laws came early. Love that for me. But you know, it was really nice of them to fix my Jeep. Yeah, that thing would not start this morning, and it looks like they got it to turn over just fine. Yeah, you think they used a monkey wrench or something? I don't know. You guys know what the difference between in-laws and outlaws is, right? Yeah, outlaws are wanted. Oh. Yeah, I know. Anyway, here we go, into the Nile River. The Nile is the longest river in the world, and it stretches for Niles and Niles. Ooh, that's an African elephant right there. Did you guys know that elephants have the best memories in the jungle? Yeah, I wish I had a good memory like that. Ooh, that's an African elephant right there. Did you guys know that elephants have the best memories in the jungle? Yeah, I wish I had a good memory like that. Oh, now to your right, that is our Jingle Bell Rock. Yeah, it's one of our bolder attractions, but people always take it for granted. Entering into the African belt right here, you're going to see plenty of cool animals. I see some long-necked cheetahs up there, and...
Oh, a 1983 Impala!
Yeah! And some striped reindeer? Wow! Aw, look at that! Those zebras are, oh, they're protecting that sleeping reindeer. Yeah, we're just gonna keep on going and let him rest in pieces, alright? Sorry, rest in peace, that's what I meant to say. Look! That's my friend Ina! Everybody wave and say hi, Ina! Hi, Ina. That's Skipper Felix, too. Yeah, don't worry about him, okay? I told him he needs to stay inside of the boat. Yeah, he can't outrun rhinos. But, you know, I think he got the point in the end this time. Yeah. Now right here, that is my pal Mr. Frost and his girlfriend Ginger. But be careful, okay? Yeah, Mr. Frost bites and Ginger snaps. Yeah. But, you know, they've actually been really good this year. So we all pooled our money to get all the gifts that they've been asking for. Yeah, don't tell them, okay? It's a crock pot. Behind me, that is Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls is named after the brilliant explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Now, if you're feeling that beautiful mist on your skin, that is our gift to you this holiday season. Yeah, it's filled with about 9,000 different types of bacteria. And they're all yours now. Castle and Brown, our local adventurers club. Now, if you're interested, they are running an annual holiday sale. Yeah, half off flights. Oh, no. Oh, no, this is a hippo pool. Okay, they capsize boats, so let me scare them off the same way I scared off all my ex-boyfriends.
I love you! I want commitment!
There you go. You guys should be safe. Yeah, they will never come back. I promise. Oh, look! Christmas fireworks! Oh, listen to that. That's beautiful. Merry Christmas! Happy Veronica! Oh, so nice of them to do that. Oh, no! Okay, the bugs escaped, okay? If you guys feel yourself starting to itch, don't panic. It's probably just the fleas. Yeah, the fleas Navidad. Yeah, you're fine. Over here, this is the 8th wonder of the world! Giddy up! For the backside of water! Ready? O-2-H! 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 You get it? It's backwards, yeah. Sorry. I just like to tell chemistry jokes periodically. Now right here we're entering the Mekong River in the heart of Cambodia. Up there you're going to see a statue of a beautiful woman named Shirley. Now, so this right here is Shirley's temple. is this? I think we found an Indian elephant bathing pool. Oh wow, this is a great time to take a picture. Yeah, I think all the elephants have their trunks on. Yeah. You know, people always think that it's water coming out of their trunks. But it's not. Now that right there is Bertha. Yeah, she's been pretty stinky this year, so instead of showering her with gifts, we actually got her the gift of a shower. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to tell you. Did you know that elephants have the best memory in the jungle? Yeah, I wish I had a good memory like that. Sure would make this job easier. Now, in just a moment up here, we will be making our way to the scariest part of this journey, okay? Yeah, it's the return to civilization. I know. So just keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and remain fully seated till I let you know it's safe for you to stand up. Looks like we'll be able to pull up here and you're going to get a really good view of Trader Sam's gift shop. Now, fun fact, this gift shop actually used to be a lost and found. That just means that all the merchandise you see here is stuff that Trader Sam found laying around the park. Yeah, the best stuff actually comes from abandoned strollers parked in the walkways. Yeah, those things are everywhere. Now this is actually a great time to get started on your holiday shopping, okay? Yeah, what better gift for your loved ones than something they lost earlier today? Now, if you need a suggestion, personally, I would suggest getting a hat or a cap, yeah? But our sizes are pretty weird. So if you want one, but you don't know what size you should get, you can ask any skipper. Yeah, we're really good at cap sizing. And listen, guys, I know what you're thinking, okay? Yeah, you're wondering why we left these monkeys in charge while Trader Sam is out. We would never do that. That's really irresponsible. No. This elephant is in charge. And you know, she's doing a pretty good job. Oh, and speaking of elephants, did you guys know that elephants have the best memories in the jungle? Yeah, I sure wish I had a good memory like that. Alright, now we are going to wait on this boat ahead of us. But that's okay, because now we have a couple of minutes to get to know each other better before you guys leave forever. Alright, let's see. Where are you guys from? Right here. Really? Me too. Yeah, wow. Where are you guys from? Oh, you're with them. Yeah. Where are you guys from over here? Really? Me too. Me too. What about you guys back there? Where are you from? Yeah? Me too. Wow, what are the odds? What about you guys right there? Where are you from? Me too! Small world! Where are you guys from right here? I'm sorry? No, I heard you. I'm just sorry. I'm kidding. I'm from Texas, yeah. So I really can't talk. Oh, man. Believe it or not, my whole family still lives in Texas. But my parents are going to come visit me next month. Yeah, they're really proud of my sister. She's a doctor. It's fine. Yeah, you know, I used to think when I grew up that I would become a baker. I just didn't have enough dough. Yeah, I know. It was a half-baked idea anyway. But at least I tried. Oh, come on, guys. I'm on a roll. Don't stop, no, really guys, don't stop, yeah. I'm like Tinkerbell, I will die without attention, yeah. Alright friends, you've been such an outstanding audience, but it is time to be outstanding on the dock.
Wow, that turned out really well. Skipper was really cool. So hopefully you liked it. We definitely did. And off to the next adventure, right?